Hey y'all, how you doing? How you doing? Good evening. This is GlaMarous. I am the GlaMarous and GlaMarous Titi Jules. What is GlaMarous Titi Jules, you ask? Well, I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, where we sell fabulous $5 bling. Yep, that's right. You heard me. $5 for fabulous bling, such as this bling that I'm wearing here, this bling I'm rocking on my wrist, and this bling that I have here in both of my holes that I'm wearing. Now, as the title says, tonight is simply going to be, and I'm going to try to go through it really quickly, is our fashion fix for the month of July. You say July? Yes, July, even though we are in June. I'm going to explain to you what Fashion Fix is. I'm going to explain to you what Paparazzi Accessories is. I'm going to introduce it to some of you, and for some of you, it's just a review. Like I said, Paparazzi Accessories puts out fabulous $5 bling. We do have options for children, which is $1, and we have a signature collection, which is $25. But predominantly all of our majority of our pieces are only $5. And when you get to seeing what some of this stuff looks like when I show it to you, you are going to be amazed that some of this stuff is $5. It's going to amaze you. So come on in, get a little closer. We're going to get through this unboxing so that I can get off, and I'll be bringing you videos periodically showcasing to you the fabulous $5 jewelry, my fashion fix boxes. I'll be introducing you to the life of the party pieces. All of my information will be in the description box below. I am on YouTube live like clockwork every Thursday and Sunday night at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So all of my information will be there if you want to come and hang out with me in the Glam Palace and have a good old time, look at some wonderful jewelry, play some wonderful games. That's every Thursday and Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. But for right now, let me show you this beautiful box that comes to me every month that's called Fashion Fix. Woohoo! And the crowd went, rah! Wonderful. I am a consultant who all I had to do was subscribe to it. You're put on a waiting list. When a spot opens up for you, honey, that is just like the cherry on top of the ice cream sundae, because as a consultant who is a part of the Fashion Fix family, we get first dibs. Let me back up. Everything that I get access to, you as a customer also get access to. So we get first dibs on this these fashion fix pieces before anybody else can bring this to their customers. Now what happens is I'll get it first. I'll be able to preview it with you, my customers, and hopefully some of you will become my new customers, or some of you will become a part of the Glam Squad. Whichever way you want to rock it, it is fine with me, as long as you get down with the Papa family. That's the only thing that matters to me. But we'll get first access to it. I'll bring it, I'll present it to you, I'll show it to you, and you'll put in your pre-orders. I can only order this on the 4th of every month. So I'll bring it to you, you'll pre-order it. I won't accept any payments from you until the actual items actually come in. So let's get into unboxing this bad boy so we can see what goodies are in there. Now, Paparazzi as a whole has 5 main categories of jewelry, and some of us, based on our jewelry preference styles, we will fall in one of those 5 categories. And the Fashion Fix box that we receive on a monthly basis is comprised of 4 complete pieces of those 5 trend blend sets, and that's what we're going to go over tonight. So real quickly, the first trend blend set is Fiercely Fifth Avenue. This is a 4-piece set. The 4-piece set could be a necklace, it could be a necklace, bracelet, earrings, and a ring, or it could be 2 bracelets and a necklace and earrings. I forgot to mention to you, all of our jewelry is nickel and lead free. So if you have any allergens to those things, you won't have those issues with this jewelry with Paparazzi Accessories, right? So the first piece is this beautiful necklace, and I'm just going to show you these pieces quickly just so you can see how magnificent they are. This is the necklace from our first trend blend set. So this is piece number 1. You'll see it's a beautiful pearl and silver necklace, and all of our necklaces come with complimentary earrings. But if you are a diva and a glamour like me, then you like to bring it on with a little bit bigger earrings. So this one does come with a beautiful pair of upgraded earrings, and these earrings are called Grand Central Chic, and these are the beautiful earrings that are an upgrade to the beautiful earrings that are already a part of this set. So we're going to put that there. So that's the second piece to this trend blend set. This one also comes with a bracelet, beautiful bracelet. So now we have 3 pieces to this beautiful trend blend set. Can you see it? Absolutely beautiful. Now, the set together is $20. You do not have to buy it as a set, and each piece is $5 a piece. Look at that. I know you find it hard to believe that these pieces are only $5 a piece. Absolutely wonderful pieces. The 4th piece to this particular set is a ring, a beautiful little dainty pearl ring. All of our rings come with a stretchy back, and they accommodate ring finger sizes 4 to 10. This is the beautiful ring, and this is the complete 4-piece set, $5 a piece, to this beautiful July upcoming Fiercely 5th Avenue Fashion Fix set. Isn't that beautiful? I will have all the information for this set down in the information bar below, and we will move on to the next set. The next set that I'm going to show you is called the Magnificent Musings, and this is a beautiful, this is a long piece. Yeah, this is the long one. It is in black and silver, and again, all of our pieces are nickel and lead free, and they come with, all of our necklace sets come with matching earrings. Look at that. This is about 5-6 layers of beautiful shiny black and silver necklace. You can see this is what it looks like. Beautiful. I'll bring it up close so that you can see. It comes with a matching pair of bangle bracelets, and let's see how many you get here. 2, 4, 6. It comes with a beautiful pair, a set, of matching bracelets. That's 6 bracelets there in Magnificent Musings. Let's see what else do we have here. It comes with an upgraded pair of beautiful hoop earrings. Now these earrings are a hoop, but look at the design on that. Absolutely beautiful. They are on a post, nickel and lead free. This is our 3-piece set. Absolutely beautiful. And this one also comes with the ring. So this 4-piece set is $20. You can get each of them individually for $5. But why? They took all the guesswork out of it for you, and they put these beautiful sets together for you so that you can buy them and have a complete set already made. Look at that. Look at those earrings. Look at the detail on it. They spare no attention to detail when they put these pieces out. If you haven't heard or you don't listen to anything else that I say for the remainder of this video, know one thing for sure. I absolutely love this jewelry. I love this company. I love everything it is that I do with this business. I get so much joy in showing people this beautiful $5 jewelry. I still get amazed. I'm a consultant, and I get amazed at looking at these beautiful pieces, and it gives me even more pleasure to be able to bring them to you. This next set is from the Glimpses of Malibu Trend Blend set. Now I'm going to leave all of my information in the information bar down below. If you would like to do some shopping, you like to do some perusing around on my websites, you can actually take a style test and it will tell you predominantly where you fall when it comes to these trend blend sets. Now this is Glimpses of Malibu for all of my purple lovers or my learn to love purple lovers. This is an absolute beautiful purple necklace, right? And it comes with an upgraded pair of purple earrings. And I'll put them on for you. Beautiful. Beautiful purple earrings. This is the two-piece set. Now wait till you see this bracelet. This bracelet is banging. It's a cuff bracelet in silver. And like I said, is the plastic gonna defeat me? They take their time and they put these pieces together for us so we don't have to do any work. You see this? Beautiful piece, beautiful craftsmanship. And this comes with the necklace, an upgraded pair of earrings, as well as a ring. And this is a beautiful ring. It has the same detailing as the bracelet. I'll show you them all together so that you can see. This is a beautiful 4-piece set. The set together is $20, and you can pick it apart. You can mix Magnificent Musings with Sunset Sightings or Simply Santa Fe. You can mix and match how you feel. They just take all the guesswork out of everything for you. This is the 3rd set. I'll show you the 4th set and the 5th set, and then I'll get out of your hair until the next video. And please visit the description bar down below for any additional information. And I will be coming to you very periodically with new pieces as they come out. If you can follow me on Facebook, I go live every Thursday and Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, bringing you great pieces. If you are looking for a new business, you're looking for a way to earn extra income, we purchase these pieces at wholesale. We sell them at retail for $5, and we make a 45% profit. You cannot beat that with a stick. This next is Simply Santa Fe. Look at that. You hear that? That is a substantial necklace. This necklace, nickel and lead free, with these beautiful matching earrings on a fish hook, $5. Where they do that at, I do not know. And I'm going to show you the upgraded earrings that they have chosen out to go with this. And the thing about Paparazzi is they come out with new releases Monday through Friday like clockwork. Us consultants are getting in there. We're buying these new releases. We're bringing them to you, our customers. And the thing about it is when we bring these pieces to you, it's best to grab them when we bring them to you, because when they're gone, they're gone. We don't even have access to them anymore. This is the 3rd piece, a beautiful cuff bracelet. And this is in copper and turquoise. Absolutely beautiful. And let me show you this ring. Beautiful ring. They spare no attention to detail at all. Absolutely wonderful. And this is the 4-piece set for $20. Again, you can pick it apart and get any piece you want for $5. And then I will move on to the 5th and final set. And you also get hostess rewards for every 10 pieces that we purchase as a consultant. You get a hostess reward, and those are just free additional pieces of jewelry. You also get the hostess rewards if you're a consultant with your fashion fix. This particular set, this trend blend set, is Sunset Sightings. Now this bad boy is the one that has some jazzy earrings. So give me a moment. The paper cannot be smarter than me. No, we're not going to have that. But this is a really unique piece of jewelry, $5, that includes a matching pair of earrings. And as women, we only upgrade if we want to. Sometimes you might just want to throw something on and have a smaller pair of earrings when you run out the door. And sometimes you want to be extra, or a lot of times you want to be extra. So this is the next set. You see it's in black and silver. These are the earrings that match it, or that come complementary with it. But let me show you these upgraded babies. These are some earrings. Boom, booyah. You see that? Absolutely beautiful. These earrings alone are $5. Like I said, you can buy the complete trend blends together for $20, or you can break it apart and get whichever pieces you want for $5 a piece. This is the 3-piece set. This is a beautiful silver cuff bracelet. Most of our bracelets are adjustable when they come like this. So you'll be able to slip it on your arm to fit the circumference of your arm. Some of them, the cuff bracelets, are not so bendy, but some of them you can. And this is the ring that comes with this set. So this complete trend blend set is $20, and you can pick it apart to select whichever pieces that you want. You can mix all of these together and wear it how you want, because when you become a Paparazzi customer, that's what's going to end up happening anyway. You're not going to always pick from one style or the other, but it's kind of fun to see where you fall. So I'm going to leave all my information in the box below. If you can go out to the website to take the style quiz just to see where you fall, and maybe some of it will surprise you when you start looking at those pieces and you're like, oh, well, I didn't know it was this style and that style. I will be back to you. Again, I'll be coming on YouTube periodically. I am on Facebook every Thursday and Sunday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I appreciate the time that we're spending here right now. All my information will be in the down bar below. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for hanging out with me in the Glam Palace. That's what it's called when I'm here in the boutique. This is the Glam Palace. I am the Glam Mall and GlaMarous Titi Jewels, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.